I have nothing to feed you. It looks like a male. Is it a male? Hey, male. Oh. Come here. It's female. Don't eat my phone. I'm scratching it. It have a very good texture. So you wanna? Oh, so windy. I have nothing for you, man. I just have my hand. If you want. Oh, she's camera lover. Oh, big here. Oh, it is coming towards me. It's time to go. Bye. It's very cold. That one is Sai. He's not coming here. Let's go, bro. What are you doing? Are you guys mad? What? What are you doing in my taxi? Let's go, bro. Let's not stop for next, like 3 kilometers maybe. What do you say? यस्तोबाट चाहिँ यहाँ कङ्गारू आउँछ बलरबाट Bro, take mine. Another one. Look, same. Going like a... I think we came from there, bro. Almost. Yeah. We came from, because you see that house, there's small white thing, or house or pond, because that's the way we came in. That's the gate. We were at that road, and that road went there. So that means, we came from. Yes. Oh, that's the tower we went last weekend. That's one. That one. Look at this, bro. This hill. This is the hill. Yeah. So we came from somewhere down here. Highway. There's the highway, bro. Is that Coles? Yeah, main highway going towards Sydney. Where? Oh, United? Is it Eagle Hawk? Eagle Hawk. Oh, United, look at this. Someone is paying, bro. Use this credit card. No, I'm joking, bro. Look at that. One Tree Hill is in the other side. Taylor. Oh, wow. Bro, what's that? Oh, yeah. Look at that rotating thing, bro. Did you see? Have you been there? Oh, look at the snow. Did you see the snow? Oh, look here. You know this last peak. Try to see with your eyes. Yeah. And even wait, Braidwood. Where is Braidwood? This side. We can't see it. That's the snow, bro. This one right. Do you see? That's the snow. Not that one. But there has been a snowfall. Where? Oh, it's busy. It is very busy. Which one? Oh yeah, because that's the way, right? Isn't it? That small one. I think we went there last time. And that rest area is somewhere around there. So this is different one. This is even higher. This one, which I haven't noticed it, but I didn't come here, bro. Do you think it will go down? Was there? Almost it touched. Did it? Smoke! Yeah, did you see the smoke? You see the smoke? Oh, it's not a smoke. It's just its wings. Landed successfully. I think it will turn around. It will go somewhere very right. My friend Amandeep, we came from this hill, but we need to go past this, and we have. Oh, is that a turtle? Shit, it's dead. It is dead, bro. Is it, or is hibernating? Looks like it's hibernating, bro. Oh, it's dead, bro. Dead, bro. Dead shit. You want to take it home? Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, I am. Community work, bro. Because community matters. Huh? Really? Don't tell me. Oh, that's a small fence. We can cross it. I think so. From that top, that hill, we went all the way through that, and we are here in another hill. Now we need to complete this as well. We are going to wetland. It's a busy route for airplanes, bro. The one in front of us, that's where we are going back home. Still on the way. Oh, what's that? Oh, it looks amazing, bro. Oh, bro, that long leg